Calendar management is one of the skills a virtual assistant must have. You might be wondering, why must I master this service? It is useful because it makes you and your client to be organized. You get to track your clients' meetings and deadlines. It makes you to avoid double bookings and also makes everything run smoothly for you and your clients. I'm going to go over to my computer and show you how to manage your calendars. So for you to be able to access Google Calendar, just come to your Chrome browser and then search type calendar.google.com, click enter. Now this is the interface of our calendar. This is the view of our calendar. This is how our calendar is, and here it's showing month. If I click on here, I'll see the day, the week, the year, right? So anyone that I click on will change here to show me the event I've scheduled for the day. If I click on the week, to also show me the events I've scheduled for the week. Now here, this is our calendar. This is where you see our calendar. This is where you see my calendar. And this is the place it shows you the person that owns the calendar. Now here it shows that I'm the owner of this calendar. When you are working for your client will add you to his or her own calendar. He or she will send you an invite. If you accept it, his calendar will be showing here, just like mine is showing here. So that whenever you want to create an event for him, you'll be able to click on the calendar and now create calendars for him. So now if you want to add an event, you will come here, click on create, click event. Now type the title of the event. For example, class meeting. Then you come over here, the meeting will be happening today. You now select the time of the meeting, maybe from 4 p.m. to 5 p.m. Okay. Now here you leave it, or you leave this, don't click here, because the class meeting will only happen from 4 p.m. to 5 p.m. Then also leave this does not repeat, leave it like that. Then if you want to add guests, maybe you have another person that will attend the meeting, you just click here, add the person's email address, alright, and the person will be added here. The person will be added. Okay, this is me, the organizer, and then this is the person's email address, the guest. Then guest permission, you click here. If you want the guest to be able to modify the event, you click on here. If you want the guest to invite others, you click here. Also, if you want the guest to see the list of people that are attending the class, also click here. Right, so you can now add location here. If the class will be happening on maybe Zoom or a physical place, just add the location here. Then here, add the description, what will be happening in the class. Maybe let's say meeting for the end of the year party. So just leave it like that. and when you come down here, you see this color. If you want to change the color of this, just change it to the color you want. Here now, leave this as busy so that whenever other persons want to add you to any event, they will see that you are busy from 4 p.m. to 5 p.m. right? Then this notification will send notification to your client stating that you have a meeting by 4 p.m. to 5 p.m., like 30 minutes before the time, to send your client notification. Okay, so after that, you now click save. If you want to send invitation to the guests you added to this calendar, you click on send, but if you don't want, you click don't send. But for the sake of this video, I'll click don't send. You see the event has already appeared here, so your client will be notified when the time comes, or before 30 minutes, that she has a class meeting. All right, so now you want to set recurring events. What you do is come here. Let me create another event. Just come to create, click event, then add maybe meeting with my doctor. Maybe your client will be having a meeting with her client, and you want to set this event for her. Then you come here. This meeting will start today. You now click when the time of this meeting will happen. Then let's say the meeting will be happening by from 1 p.m. 1 p.m. to 2 p.m. right? Then don't click all day. Now for us to create this recurring event, click on this to does not repeat. Now maybe your clients have already told you that this appointment will be happening maybe weekly on Mondays, or monthly on the third Monday, anyone. But if you want to edit it by yourself, just come to this custom. Now add um if the meeting will be happening once a week, if it will be happening once in a month, you add. If it's um every day, you add. But here I'll just leave it once a week. Then this meeting will be happening every Wednesday. All right, every Monday and Wednesday. This meeting will be happening every Monday and Wednesday. Okay, I'll just click here. When it will end, this meeting will be ending on, let's say, on let's say it will be ending on 1st of January, right? This meeting will end on the 1st of January 2025. You now click done. Now click save. And here, because this is your client appointment, you don't need to add a guest. Okay, you don't need to add a guest. You can now add location, the location of where your client will be going. If you like, if you want to add it, you can just leave it like that. And then here you can also choose the color you want it to have, and leave this as busy, and also leave this as at 30 minutes before, so that it will notify your client 30 minutes before the time. Now click on save. you'll see here the meeting has already appeared on Mondays and on Wednesdays. Have you seen it? And it will be ending on the um Wednesday on the 1st of January 2025. Have you seen it? So this is how to create a recurring event for your client. All right, it's easy. Let's say you want to delete an event you don't want, just click on this event and then click here, delete icon, click all events so that it delete all the event that is like this, that has this event. Now click on it, everything will be deleted. All right. Okay, if you want to edit an event, just come to the event, click on it, click on this pencil icon, and now you can now delete anything you want to delete here. All right, you can now delete anything you want to delete here. So this is how to delete and edit your event. Let's say your client's time zone is different from yours, but before you start editing, before you start adding events for your client would have invited you to his or her calendar. So what you do is just come to this setting. Now click on settings, go down, you see this primary time zone, click on it. Then from here you can be able to select the time zone of your client, so that whenever you are editing, you are adding an event, you are editing, you are doing anything for your client on your client's calendar, this time zone, it will be easy for you to do because you're already doing it on his or her time zone. All right, then after that you can still come back and now choose your own time zone and go back to what you are doing. So this is how to change time zone on Google Calendar. So guys, this is how you can be able to create your own calendar. All right, if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and if you have any question, you can drop it in the comment section below. I will attend to them one after the other. So share this video to other people that might find it helpful, and don't forget to subscribe. I will see you in my next video.